Hello, today we will guide you through how to restart Kernel in Kaggle. If you are working in Kaggle and your notebook becomes unresponsive, runs into an error, or you simply want to clear the current session and start fresh, restarting the kernel is a quick and useful step. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, go to the Kaggle Notebook Editor. This is the main workspace where you create and run your code in Kaggle. Once you are there, make sure the page has fully loaded so all of the controls are visible and ready to use. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on Create. This opens the menu where Kaggle lets you start a new project or notebook. If you are new to the platform, this is the usual starting point for opening a fresh coding environment. From that menu, click on Notebook. This will open a new Kaggle notebook, which is where the kernel session runs. The kernel is the background process that executes your code, so this is the environment you will be restarting. Once the notebook is open, move your attention to the top area of the page and click on the three-dot menu. This menu contains additional options for managing the notebook session. If you do not see it right away, take a moment to scan the top toolbar carefully, since its position can vary slightly depending on the layout or screen size. After opening the menu, select the option for restarting the session, shown here as Sample Restart. Choosing this will restart the kernel for the notebook. When the kernel restarts, the current runtime is refreshed, which can help resolve temporary issues or clear anything currently stored in memory. Keep in mind that restarting the kernel usually stops any code that is currently running. It may also clear variables and temporary outputs that have not been saved, so it is a good idea to save your work before using the restart option. And that's all there is to it. By going to the Kaggle Notebook Editor, creating a notebook, opening the three-dot menu, and selecting the restart option, you can quickly restart the kernel whenever needed. This is a simple but important tool for troubleshooting and keeping your notebook session running smoothly.